Good morning, students. Today we are going to see parity checker and generator. Okay, I think you have all known about. Excuse me. You have all known about parity. What is called parity? Am I right? Okay. So, for example, I just remind you once again. So, consider this is a data which are going to send through a communication medium. Okay. So, in the receiver side, you want to know whether the received data is right or not. Okay. So, for that, before the data which you are sent, you will have a bit called parity bit. Parity bit. Okay. So, this shows the data which are sent is right or not. Okay. So, in the receiver side, you will have a parity checker. So, here you will mention the whether it is of even parity. Okay. It is of even parity. How many ones are there? You are having 4 ones in the data. Okay. So, when go for even parity, it will be 0. If it might be an odd parity, it will be mentioned as 1 to make it as even. Sorry, to make it as odd. Can you able to get me? Puridama, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, while in the receiver side, you will have a parity checker. So, the operation of this parity checker is it will the function of this parity checker is it will analyze whether the received data is correct or not, whether it is having any error, whether any error has occurred or not. Okay, so it is like the parity checker may be either even or odd. So it is according to the assembly. Okay, assembler of your communication medium. Okay, it may be either even or odd. So if it is an even parity, okay, so at last you will receive the data as 10110. So you are having error here means, okay. So but here in the transmission side you have mentioned the data along with the parity bit. So it is of even parity. So you have mentioned here as 0. Okay. So yes, the parity checker will check the parity bit. So here it is mentioned as 0, but the received data is having odd number of 1 means. So the parity checker will analyze the data is having some error. So this is why we are going for parity checker and generator. Okay. So in our portion, we are going to design a parity checker as well as a generator. First, we are going to design a parity generator and we will go for a parity checker. Okay. So both are the same concept, same design and all. Okay. So the explanation will get varied. So I'm going to show you the parity checker for 3 bit. A, B, C, odd parity, even parity. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So here the first data that is called 0, 0, 0 belongs to odd parity or even parity. So it belongs to even parity. So it is of 0. When I go for odd parity, I want to put 1. So from this 0 will show the parity belongs to. Okay. So 0 எந்த இடத்துல இருக்கோ அது வந்து அந்த parity consider. We are going to consider according to that parity. இப்போ எனக்கு 0, 0, 0 னா it is of even parity. If I want to make that 0, 0, 0 as odd means, I want to mention with as 1. Okay. Next, 0, 0, 1 means how many ones are there in the second data?
1, ma'am.
1. It belongs to odd or even parity?
Odd, ma'am.
So, I want to put 0 here. In the even parity, I want to put 1. So, the third one, it is also odd. So, here I want to mention as 0. Here, it is of 1. The next one, it is of even. So, I want to mention as 0 in even parity and 1 in odd parity. 1, 0, 0. 0 in odd parity, 1 in even parity. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1 is of even parity and want to put 1 in odd parity. So, next one, 0 in odd parity, I want to put 1, 1, 1. It is of even 1. Sorry, odd number of ones present in this data. So, I am going to put 0 in odd, 1 in even. Okay. So, actually, if I want to go for a design of a circuit, what is its first step? Students, answer me. What is the first step to for the design of a logic circuit?
Truth table, ma'am.
So, we have finished our first step, right? It is of truth table. What is the second step?
K-mapping.
So, to get the simplified equation for the truth table value by using K-map. So, just you want to get the equation for both odd parity as well as the even parity with the inputs of A, B, C. Okay, just you want to apply the odd column for odd equation, even column for even equation. So, I am going to design for odd parity. So, the inputs are A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC, BC bar, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, at what places we are having 1 in odd parity? 0, 3, 0, 3, 5, 6. 0, 3, 5, 6. So, there is no way of pairing. So, I am going to pair individually and I will got the equation as A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar, BC plus A, B bar, C plus A, B, C bar. If I simplify manually, if I simplify this equation manually by applying the Boolean expressions, I will get the equation as A XOR B XOR C. Okay. So, just you want to remind it, A bar plus B plus A B bar is equal to A XOR B. So, just you want to do by yourself. Okay. Just you do simplify the above equation by yourself. Okay. By having the equation which I am now mentioning. Okay. A bar B bar plus AB equal to A X NOR B. X NOR B means just dot and circle. And another thing I want to mention here that A XOR B the whole bar is equal to A X NOR B. Vice versa. If it might be like A X NOR B the whole bar is equal to A XOR B. So, இப்போ நான் simplify பண்றேன். So, how do I get this equation from the above equation? By applying these four conditions. By applying these four conditions to get the A XOR B XOR C equation from the equation which I got from the K-map. Can you able to get it? Puridama? Students, can you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
anybody is having doubt here? Because I'm going to move to the next one. Students, please don't use your chat box because I can't able to view now because I'm in another screen. If you want to ask any doubts, just unmute your mic and ask me. Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your third step? We have found the simplified equation. What is your third step? It is nothing but the design. So, for the above equation, the design is A, B, A XOR B. This one is C. A XOR B XOR C. So this is nothing but the parity generator design for 3-bit, or this is for odd parity. So when you see for the even parity, you want to proceed the same step. Instead of applying the column of odd parity values, you just apply the even parity values. Just you will have 1, 4, 7, 2. And the midterms position la 1 varum. You will get the same equation and you will get the same design. Okay? Ma'am, எனக்கு XR even parity க்கு என்ன design வரும்னா நீ வந்து just work out by yourself. You will get the same equation, that is of A XOR B XOR C, and you will get the same design. This is the design which is for both odd and even parity, but the value may be changed. Okay, check by yourself and verify with the notes which we have already posted in the Google Classroom. Okay, students, this is your work, today's work. You just apply the even parity column values in the K-map, get the equation and then design it. Tomorrow, I ask one of you to show the output. Can you able to get it? I just call one of you and ask you to unmute and ask you to present what equation and what design have got. புரியுதா நான் பேசுறது? Have you understood? Just reply me because I'm going to the next topic. Students, can you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you able to view the screen now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. So next we are going to see parity checker. So parity checker, it is also like the same. The parity checker will be in the output side of your communication medium. Okay, you will study the same concept, but you're not supposed to design the parity checker and generator, but you will have a problem. You will have a problem in parity checker and generator in your communication engineering. Communication, you will study the same topic in communication engineering, but you will study like in a communication medium. How does your parity checker and generator will get work, as well as how it can find the error and how it can resolve the error. Okay, so in your DPSD we are studying about how to design a parity checker and a generator. Okay, so parity checker is nothing but which is present in the receiver side. Okay, now I am going to, so it is also have the same design. Okay, so I am going to mention for, I am going to design a parity checker for 4 bit. So ma'am 4 bit 3 bit panna mudiyadana, okay, we will go with the 3 bit. So before that we have saw the parity generator for both odd and even. Now we are going to see parity checker. So when we go for parity checker, we will have either even or odd parity. Okay, the data which we got in the receiver side, which is under either odd or even. So already told you the communication medium, by when the medium has designed, it might be, the checker might be have either odd. It is designed like either odd parity or even parity. ரெண்டையுமே செக்கர்ல போய் ரெண்டையுமே வந்து odd even ரெண்டையுமே மென்ஷன் பண்ணனா we couldn't analyze whether it is of odd or even parity. அதனால என்னன்னா அந்த மீடியம் டிசைன் பண்றதுமே odd parity அப்படி இல்லாட்டி even parity ரெண்டுல ஏதாவது ஒண்ணுதான் வந்து அவங்க அதை வச்சுதான் டிசைன் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So for example, this was be designed with even parity இருந்துச்சு, உன்னோட கம்யூனிகேஷன் மீடியம் even parity இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா 000 001 010 011 100 101 110 111. So now tell whether the first data is in odd parity or even parity.
Even, ma'am.
So I want to put 0 here. Next, odd.
Odd, ma'am.
So to make it as even, I want to put 1. Next one, odd. Am I right? Here it is of odd number of ones. I want to put in even parity. Next, you will have even number of ones. I want to put 0. For the next value, it is of odd number of 1. I want to put 1 here. 0 0 1. Okay. So now I'm going to get the equation by applying the value which I got in the even parity in a K-map. BC bar 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in the place of 1 and 2, 1 2, and in the place of 4 7, 4 7. Like I said, so both are of, sorry, I can't go for a pair. So I'm pairing individually. I will get the answer as A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A B C. Then at last I will get the equation as A XOR B XOR C. So now I'm going for the design for the above equation, that is of parity checker design. A B C, here you will get A XOR B, here you will get A XOR B XOR C. So this is the design of parity checker. இப்ப நீங்க கேட்கலாம், மேம் டேட்டா அப்படின்றது you will have n number of bits, okay. அப்போ நீங்க 3 பிட்டுக்கு தான் போட்டிருக்கீங்க, இது எப்படி எனக்கு அந்த இடத்துல ஒர்க் ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, so n number of bits அப்படின்னா if the data will be of 3 bits அப்படின்னா, இப்ப நம்ம டிசைன் பண்ண இந்த parity checker and the parity generator will get work in the communication medium. இப்போ for example, communication medium which is having of 8 bits means you want to design the parity checker as well as the generator for 8 bits. அப்போ 8 bits na என்ன வரும்? 2 power 8 equal to இந்த இத்தனை பிட்டுக்கு நம்ம parity checker we want to design for 2 power 8 காம்பினேஷனுக்கு சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி ட்ரூத் டேபிள் எழுதி அத்தனை இதுக்கும் நம்ம வந்து டிசைன் பண்ணணும். சோ நம்ம அதெல்லாம் பண்ண போறதுல they will just ask for either 2 bits, 3 bits or 4 bits according to our syllabus. Okay va? Can you able to understood what is called parity bit? What is parity? What is the application of parity bit? How it is designing? How it get designed? Or either a checker as well as the generator. Concept ellame puriyudha? Can you able to understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next I'm going. So shall I move to the next topic? Shall I move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we are going to see. So up to we have saw the parity checker as well as the generator. Okay. Now we are going to see magnitude comparator. Magnitude comparator. Can anyone say what is called comparator? Comparing. In general I am asking, what is the meaning of comparator? Or can anyone say?
Ma'am, அதோட குவாலிட்டி இல்ல குவாண்டிட்டியை செக் பண்றது மேம். எது ஹை எது லோ.
That is nothing but comparing. It is just nothing but comparing. So comparing two values. Here they say, so in mathematics, what is the comparison will occur? What comparison will occur a lot? அதிகமா நம்ம மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ்ல கம்பாரிசன் அப்படின்றது எந்த கான்செப்ட்ல பார்ப்போம், எது ரிகார்டிங்கா பார்ப்போம்? It's just nothing but larger than, smaller, high, low or equal. That is nothing but magnitude comparator. So we are going to design a circuit which will compare two values. Okay, can you able to understand? We are going to design a circuit, digital logical circuit to compare two values. Okay, for example, A and B. I am going to use two variables. So I am going to compare A is less than B, A is equal to B, or A is greater than B. If it is of two input means how many possibilities are there? Students, tell me how many possibilities?
4, ma'am.
4 possibilities. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now say for the first value, which among the three is right? A is less than B, greater than B, or equal to B? A oda value 0, the value of B is 0. Now say which one is right among the three? A is less than B, greater than B, or equal to B? Ma சட்டுன்னு மைக் ஆன் பண்ணி சொல்ல வேண்டாம். A ஓட வேல்யூ 0 சொல்லிட்டேன், B ஓட வேல்யூ 0 சொல்லிட்டேன். அப்போ அது வந்து A வை விட A வேல்யூ வந்து greater than B வேல்யூவா, A வேல்யூ is less than B வேல்யூவா, A value is equal to B value?
Equal, ma'am.
Equal. So I want to put in the column of A equal to B, and I want to put zeros in the next two columns, then another two columns. Okay. Now say for the second one, A is less than B or greater than B or equal to B?
Less than B, ma'am.
Less than B, and the remaining values are 0. Okay. For the third input,
A is greater than B, ma'am.
A is greater than B. So I want to put 1 here and the remaining values are 0. Next, A equal to B and the remaining things are 0. Okay. So this is the step 1. We have framed the truth table. What is your step 2? I want to go for the K-map to get the simplified equation. So for that, I want, Ma, just unmute your mic. One of you, anyone? Students? Okay. So for this, I want to get the equation for A equal to B, A less than B, as well as A great. Ma, it is get disturbance for me. Can you mute your mic? Aruna ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, some of the student has unmuted the mic. Ask.
Unmuted. Yes, ma'am. I'll check, ma'am. I'll check, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please continue,
Okay.
ma'am. Everyone has
Okay.
muted.
Next, we are going to get the equation for A is less than B, equal to B, and greater than B. Okay. So first, we are, yes?
Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible. Okay, wait. Now is it visible?
Ma'am, it is visible, ma'am. Not
Okay,
now.
thank you.
No, ma'am. Before it was visible, ma'am. Now it is not.
Okay. Now?
No, ma'am.
Students, is it visible? No.
No.
Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
Is it visible or not, ma?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Students, now is it visible?
No, ma'am.
Nova.
No, ma'am.
Now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Okay. Okay. So we have saw the magnitude comparator. So we have used two values, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we will make up three outputs. A is greater than B, A is equal to B, and A is less than B. So here 0, 1 means A is less than B. 1, 0 means A is greater than B, condition is 1, and the remaining conditions are 0. This for A is equal to B and the remaining conditions are 0. So this is your step 1. Your second step is you want to get the equation for A is greater than B, equal to B and less than B with the inputs of A, B. Okay. For that we are going to use 4-box K-map. So this K-map is for A is less than B, A bar A, B bar B, 0, 1, 2, 3. For which condition you will have 1? For 1. Remaining conditions are 0, so no need to mention it. No need to mention it. So we are going to pair individually. Then I will get the equation as A bar B. Like the same, you want to apply the value of A is less than B, sorry, A is greater than B and equal to B. So for A is less than B, sorry, A is greater than B. So this is the K-map for A is greater than B, A bar A, B bar B, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you will get the value 1 for the minterm 2. So its equation is A B bar. Okay. For A is equal to B. For A is equal to B, A bar A, B bar B, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you will have 1 in the minterm. In the column of A equal to B is 0 and 3. 0 and 3. 0, 3. So we can't pair this two. So I'm going to pair individually. Then I will get the equation as A bar B bar plus AB. So just before I have said the equation for A bar B bar plus AB is equal to, students quick. I can't show you once again because I have used another screen. Open but recording on the video and the audio A bar B plus A B bar is equal to A XOR B. A bar B bar plus AB equal to can you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is nothing but A XOR B. So while designing A bar B, A B bar. A bar B, this is for A is less than B, A, B bar, this is for A is greater than B, the design. So the bubble will be inserted in the output side of XOR gate is equal to A XOR B. A. So this is the magnitude comparator of 1 bit. Now we are going to see for 2 bits. Just I am going to explain about the truth table alone. So like this design, like the design which we saw for 1 bit, you want to apply the column of A greater than B equal to B less than B in a K-map and get the equation and go for the design. Okay. Now we are going to see for 2-bit magnitude comparator. 2-bit magnitude comparator. So we will have 2 bits in each variable. So like the same, A1, A0, B1, B0. So 2 bit in each variable. So I have named it as A1, A0, B1, B0. Okay. So totally we are having 4 bits. 4 bits means how many possibilities were there? Students, if it is a 4 bit, 16 bits. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we are going to make another 3 columns as A is less than B, A equal to B, A is greater than B. Okay. Now tell me the value of A is 0, 0 and the value of B is 0, 0. Okay. Whether it is A value is less than B, greater than B or equal to B.
Equal, ma'am.
Equal to B and the remaining columns are having the value 0. Okay. Now say the value of A is 0, 0, B is 0, 1. The value of A is 0, 0, B is 0, 1. புரியலனா நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோ. Value of A is 0, 0. B is 0, 1. When I go for its decimal value, idoda value 0, the value of B is 1. Now say A is less than B, greater than B or equal to B.
Less than B, ma'am.
A is less than A is less than B and the remaining columns are having the value 0. Next one, it is also A is less than B and the fourth one is also A is less than B. Okay, come for the next. A value is 0, 1, B value is A value is 0, 1, B value is 0, 0. A is
greater than B.
Greater than B and the remaining 2 values are 0. Next one, A value is 0, 1, B value is 0, 1.
A is equal to B, ma'am.
Equal to B. Next one, A is 0, 1, B is 1, 0.
Equal to B, ma'am.
Here you will made a mistake. A value is 0, 1, B value is 1, 0. When I go for its decimal value, it is 1. Its decimal value is 2. Now say which answer you will get.
A less than B, ma'am.
A less than B. A is less than B. Next, A value is 0, 1, B value is 1, 1.
A is less than B, ma'am.
Less than B. A value is 1, 0, B value is 0, 0. A is greater than B. A value is, here also you will made a mistake. A value is 1, 0. B value is 0, 1.
A is greater than B.
A is greater than B. Next, A is 1, 0, B is 1, 0. A is equal to B.
B.
A is 1, 0, B is 1, 1. A is less than B. A is 1, 1. B is 0, 0.
A greater than B, ma'am.
A greater than B. A is 1, 1. B is 0, 1. A greater than B. A is 1, 1. B is 1, 0. A is greater than B. So A, both are 1, 1 means A and B value is 1, 1 means A is equal to B. Okay. So your first step got over. What is the second step? with the inputs of A0, A1 and B0, B1. Okay, you will apply the value of A is less than or equal to B column in the K map and get the equation. Okay, like the same for A equal to B and A is greater than B. Get the equation for all the three combinations, and for with the equation go for the circuit diagram. Can you able to understand? Okay, now say how many box K map you will use here?
16 box.
16, ma'am.
16 box K map. Super. So you will use 16 box K map here. So I will go for one value. So A0, A1, A0, A1, A0, bar, A1, sorry. A1, A0, A1, A0, A1, A0, bar. B1 bar, B0 bar, B1, B0, B1 bar, B0, B1, B0, B1, B0 bar. Ma'am, in the combination of the so first I have mentioned as A1, A0, A1 and then A0. So like the same, you want to mention as A1 in the order A1, A0. Adhe order la da ingeyum eludum. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So now say this is the K map for A is less than B. A is less than B. Okay. So for which values will have 1? 1, 2, 3. So I will have in the place of 1, 2, 3, I will have the min term. Sorry, in the place of the min term 1, 2, 3, I will have the value as 1 again. So if you are having any doubt, just mention its equivalent decimal value beside of each value. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, I think so. 6 and 7, 11, 6, 7, 11. 6, 7, 11. So these are the in the places of min terms 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 11. I got the min term, I got the value as 1. Okay. So go for the pairing. So I can pair this 4, this 2 and this 2. Okay. Its equation, simplified equation is A1 bar B1 plus A1 bar A0 bar B0 plus A0 bar B1 B0. So this is the equation for A is less than B. Like the same, you want to apply the column of A equal to B and A is greater than B in the K map and get the equation and design all the three equations by using the logical diagram. Okay. So can you able to understand? Anybody is having doubt here? Students, anybody is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, up to this we will finish today's session. We will see tomorrow the same magnitude comparator in case of 3 bits. Okay. Thank you, students.